simple as it seems, the twinkle in your eyes, the way that time slows down when you kiss me. As we fall asleep in a bed of butterflies, just close your eyes and then you'll see it. You don't ever have to.
Oh, welcome to my vlog. Pupunta kami Dubai. Ayan, nandito na kami sa airport. We are looking for our gate. We are on the gate 6. This is for Dubai na. Okay. We are in Dubai. This is the view, the lobby. Hello! Welcome to Dubai! So, let's have our room tour. Yan. So, this is the entrance. We have here the safe box at saka merong cabinets. Ayan. We are in Pullman Downtown Hotel in Dubai. And this one is, wow, the toilet. Meron siyang tub, nice. Maganda. And this one is the what's the color? The toilet. Wow, there's a blower. The amazing blower. And of course, the wonderful what's the color? Sink. Ayan. So, dito naman tayo. So, this one is another cabinet. And this one is the, come here, the bar. Ayan. So, merong wine and coffee. And here is the ref. Ayan. Wow. O, ayan. So, lahat daw yan, cha-charge. At ang maganda dito ay yung kanilang toilet. Tingnan mo, pag nag-bathtub, kita! Ang ganda ng view. Ayan, so this is the bed. The bed. This is where also we'll put our laptop to work. We will be staying here for 5 days, so we need to work. Ayan. And the lounge. While drinking coffee here, just chilling. Ayan. And of course, the view outside. Check natin yung view. Ayan. Wow.
Ito na pala yung dancing fountain.
Yan! The dancing fountain. Kita. Okay.
Maliban lang pinili ko pang dancing fountain.
Yan. And the Burj Khalifa is nearby here, pero hindi yata kita from our room. So, this is it. This is our room for 5 days. So, that's it for the room tour. See you on my video tomorrow for our tour. Thank you. See you. We will have our dinner first. Dinner. How about you? Where's your dinner? Show it to me. Yan. Baon galing sa airport. Yan yung gusto niya. Dinner. The burger. Let's eat.